Hello, welcome to our financial wellness series. Today we're diving deep into creating a monthly budget, especially if you're earning between $1,000 and $2,000. This isn't just about restricting spending. It's about gaining control, understanding your money, and setting yourself up for financial success. So, let's break it down into 5 easy steps. First, calculate your total monthly income. This includes all sources: your paycheck, freelance work, side gigs, or any other money coming in. Be thorough. Next, list all your monthly expenses. Don't leave anything out. Rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, subscriptions, everything. This is simple. Know your numbers. Before you budget anything, you need to know exactly how much money is coming in each month. For example, let's say you earn $1,500 from your main job. Write that down. Now ask yourself, do you have side hustles, freelance income, tips, online sales? Add everything together to get your total monthly income. This number is your starting point. You can't manage money you haven't measured. Now that we know what's coming in, let's look at what's going out. Step 2, write down every single expense, and I mean everything. Start with fixed expenses: rent, $600 utilities, $100 internet, $50. Then add variable expenses: food, $250 transport, $100 subscriptions, $50, miscellaneous, $100. If your total expenses add up to $1,200 and you earn $1,500, that means you have $300 left. Most people skip this step, and that's why they feel broke. Clarity creates control. Now let's organize those expenses the smart way. Step 3 is where your budget becomes powerful. Split your expenses into 2 categories: needs, rent, groceries, transport, utilities.
Wants, streaming services, eating out, shopping, extra subscriptions.
Essentials always come first. If money gets tight, you adjust the wants, not the needs. This step helps you see where you can cut back without hurting your lifestyle too much. Once you've covered your needs, it's time to pay yourself. Set a realistic savings goal. Step 4, decide how much you're going to save. Let's use our example. Income, $1,500 expenses, $1,200 leftover, $300. Instead of spending that extra $300 randomly, give it a job. Start small if you need to. Save $50 or $100 or even $25. The key is consistency. If possible, set up automatic transfers to savings right after payday. That way, you save first, not last. Remember, savings equals security. Now the final step, and this is what keeps your budget working long term. Track weekly and adjust. Not every year, not every month, every week. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a notebook. If you overspend on food one week, adjust the next week. If transport costs increase, update your budget. Your budget is not permanent. It's flexible. It should grow and change with your life. Tracking keeps you aware. Awareness keeps you in control. And that's it. 5 simple steps to create a monthly budget and finally take control of your money. You don't need to earn more to feel financially stable. You just need a plan. Start your budget this week, even if it's messy, even if it's simple. Just start. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple money tips every week. I'll see you in the next one.